students, good morning. Yesterday we were talking about a chapter. The name of our lesson is Let's Speak. Correct? Conversation between daughter and mother, daughter and father. Then who was there? More ticket seller and Mohini. Then two friends sitting together. One is asking for pencil. Can I borrow your pencil? May I have your pencil? Then another is saying yes, you can have. So in this way, I told you to write down one conversation between any two people. Okay, and many of you have done that homework. Very good. And today we are going to start with new lesson. The name of our lesson is reading time. What is name of our lesson? The name of our lesson is reading time. Now what is meaning of reading time? Till now we studied about many poems, we studied about lessons, correct or not? Yash and Moti. Then in that we did writing. In some videos you heard me. I told you stories, you heard me. Then in English grammar also, I told you various, what was that? Alphabetical orders, then nouns, nouns means what, pronouns means what. In that, so the only thing which we have not done till now is reading time. We have not done reading. And the chapter which we are going to study is of reading time. What it is? What is the name of our lesson? The name of our lesson is 1.8 reading time. Here it is told that read aloud. Read aloud means what? Read loudly. मोठ्या आवाजामध्ये वाचा. This is my classroom. There is a big. Now your pictures are shown to you. What is shown? Pictures are shown. And then you have to tell what is given in that. Okay, do you have textbook at home? Everyone is having textbook at home. You have to remove your textbook. Remove your English textbook. Come on, fast, take out your English textbook. If it is removed, now open it and remove page number 1414, because for this lesson you should have textbook in your hand. English Bal Bharti book you have to remove. कोणतं पुस्तक काढायचं? English Bal Bharतीचं book काढायचं. Okay, page number 14, lesson number 1.8. Name of lesson is reading time. Only reading work is going to happen. We are going to read. Now here it is told that this is my classroom. Okay, this is my classroom. There is a big black color. Black color something is there in the first line. There is a big what? It is a blackboard. So what we are going to write down here? There is a big blackboard. What we are going to write down? There is a big blackboard. Okay. On the wall. Now here also there is a rolling board and it is on what? It is on the wall. Our teacher writes on it with a picture is shown. With a something like this it is, and it is drawn, and with a what? With a chalk. जिथे जिथे चित्र दाखवलेले आहे तिथे तिथे काय करायचंय? स्पेलिंग लिहून काढायचंय. तुम्ही कळलं का? You have textbook with you. Now here what you will do? Immediately you will take pencil. You will write down your blackboard. Blackboard spelling is there in the video. Now second sentence is our teacher writes on it with a chalk. What it is? Now I am also having chalk, with a chalk. The teacher has a dash to keep her books on. Now something like this it is there. Teacher has dash to keep book on it. What it is called? It is called table. What it is called? It is called table. Right? Teachers are having or not tables in your school? In our school, tables are there or not? Yes, tables are there. On that we are keeping what? Teachers are keeping book. So picture is shown of table. Then what you have to write down there? You have to write down there table. Okay. Next one. She also has a what? She also has. Now in our school it is not used, correct or not? Teachers are not having what? Teachers are not having this, what it is called? Teachers are not having chairs to sit in our school. Here it is told that she also has a chair to sit on. What it is? She also has a chair to sit on. What is this spelling? C-H-A-I-R, chair. She also has what? She also has chair to sit on. She is busy the whole day. Who is busy? Teacher is always busy. You know, all teachers are very busy, going from one class to another. Whenever period is free, that time they take your notebooks, they keep on checking your notebooks, checking your homework, checking your classwork notebooks. If test is taken, then to check your tests, correct or not? Class test notebooks. Next, we have dash to sit on and dash to keep our dash on. Now we have what? We have chair, we have benches, correct? What is that sentence? We have benches to sit on and table to keep our books on. Now here, I don't know whether you will be able to see or not, but benches are shown. See here, we have benches to sit on and table to keep our books on. Benches, table and books. So what you are going to write down here, that picture, you are going to write down there benches. You cannot say table, you can say desk. For students it is called desk. You are keeping books on your desks, okay? We have benches to sit and desk to keep our books on. Books च चित्र दिलेलं आहे, so no picture of books is given, so you have to write down there what? You have to write down there books. Our classroom has a dash and two dash. Now our classroom has one door. What is our classroom having? Our classroom has a door and two windows. Can you see? Our classroom has a door and two windows. So what you have to write down answer over there? Our classroom has a door. D-O-O-R, door, and two windows. Our classroom has one door and two windows. Have you understood? There are some more sentences. I will just read those sentences and then I will stop. You have to read it. You should be able to read all words properly. There are many charts on the wall. There are many charts on the wall in our classroom. The charts display children's work on various topics. The charts display children's work on various topics. Our teacher also shows us short films, songs and stories with the help of the projector. In some classes projectors are there, correct or not? In our school only in two classes projectors are there, but then we are going to develop it. It is told that our teacher shows us short films or songs on what? Projector. It is fun to watch the films. There is a dash near the wall. Now every classroom is having shelf, correct or not? In our school classrooms are having what? School classrooms are having shelves, but not like this. This is wooden shelf. We have which one? We have rack, correct? So what you have to write down? There is a cupboard near the wall. There is a cupboard near the wall. We keep our material there. And there is a dash in a corner. What it is called? It is called dustbin. D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. There is a dustbin in the corner. We keep our classroom clean. Understood? Now here it is told that you have to read all sentences properly. And wherever pictures are shown, जिथे जिथे pictures दाखवलेले आहेत तिथे काय करायचं? तिथे तुम्ही words use करायचे. असं नाही म्हणायचं dash. You don't have to say dash. For example, there is a blackboard on the wall. Now blackboard's photo is there, so you have to say blackboard. Our teacher writes with a chalk. Correct? There is a table. Our teacher has table to keep books on. Correct? And also our teacher has chair to sit on. We have benches to sit and desk to keep our books on. There is a door and two windows. And there is a cupboard near the wall, and we have a dustbin in the corner of our class, and we keep our classroom very clean. Have you understood in this way what we have done? What we have done? We have done reading of one page. We have done reading of page. तुम्ही काय करायचंय? तो लेसन परत 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 वाचन करायचंय. This is only your homework for today. What you have to do, you have to read that lesson properly, and if you want to send your video, you can send video on your WhatsApp group to your teacher. Okay, but you should able to read everything. Keep your finger online and read, and tell someone to take video from outside. Read everything, read each and every line properly, and which words you don't know, that words you can ask your parents at home. Okay, that is your homework for today. Remaining part we will study in tomorrow's period. Thank you.